This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, June 20th. Stock index futures starting out higher in the overnight trade, with the Dow Jones futures advancing to another new record high. However, some pressure developing more recently with energy companies coming under a little pressure with crude oil quite a bit weaker today. Longer term, we still feel that the main trend is higher for all of the stock index futures, even the NASDAQ, which has come under some pressure over the last week or so, I think will rebound and ultimately make another new historical high. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index to some degree being supported by hawkish comments from Fed officials, but interest rate differentials overall tend to be negative for the dollar as we see other central banks becoming less accommodative, including the Bank of England, which could raise interest rates next year. So look for the dollar index to come under some downside pressure, and I would not be surprised to see some new lows for the move in the dollar index. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing somewhat higher prices, some talk that inflation expectations may have diminished to some degree, which could be the case as it appears that Trump's infrastructure spending plans may have been slowed to some degree. Also, we are standing aside in the interest rate markets, but in the gold market, pressure developing, and we are now at a previous breakout level to the upside. I think that we'll probably consolidate in the gold futures, ultimately moving higher, and then I think before the end of the year, I believe we will take out that 1295 double top area in the gold futures market. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.